In the last section, we have seen the various recent trends for data collection and assessment. Now we will see the best data analytical tools. So to make highly informed decisions quickly, the organizational leaders need to be able to access and interpret data in the real time. Information and the ability to decipher and act on it swiftly has become a competitive differentiator. So, to identify new business opportunities ahead of the market, business leaders require ability to access, evaluate, comprehend, and act on data faster and more effectively than ever before. Effective graphics take advantage of pre attentive processing and attributes and the relative strength of the attributes. We can take the example of human. Since humans can more easily process differences in line length than surface area, it may be more effective to use bar chart rather than pie chart. Why? Because bar chart is having the advantage of line length to show the comparison, and pie chart it uses the surface area to show the comparison. So the quick survey of big data tools marketplace reveals the presence of big names including Microsoft, SAP, IBM and SAS. But there are plenty of specialist software vendors offering leading block data visualization tools. And these include the Tableau software, Qlik and TIBCO software. So leading data visualization products include the offers that are by the Google chart. Google is an obvious benchmark and well known for the user friendliness offered by its product, and Google chart is not an exception. It is one of the easiest tools for visualizing huge data sets. Google chart holds wide range of chart gallery from simple line graph to complex hierarchical tree like structure, and you can use any of them that fits your requirement. Then comes the Tableau. The Tableau desktop is an amazing data visualization tool for manipulating big data, and it is available to everyone. It has two other variants, that is Tableau Server and cloud-based Tableau Online, which are dedicatedly designed for big data organizations. So for this particular tool, you don't have to be a coder. This tool is very handy and provides lightning fast speed. The dashboard is very user friendly and drag and drop compatible. Therefore, it creates the homely atmosphere in any working environment. You can connect all your data from little spreadsheet to big data as Hadoop for analyzing purpose. Tableau is often regarded as the grandmaster of data visualization software, and that too for a very good reason. Tableau is used to create graphics and visualization as effectively as possible to make them easy for human understand. Then comes the Qlik. Qlik is one of the major players in data analytics space, in which they are having the biggest competition of Tableau. Qlik boasts over 40,000 customers spanning across 100 countries. It is particularly known for its highly customizable setup and host of features that help to create the visualizations much faster. However, the available options could mean there would be a learning curve to get accustomed with the tool so as to use its full potential. Apart from its data visualization process, it offers analytics, business intelligence, and enterprise reporting features. Then the Data Wrapper. So Data Wrapper is a data visualization tool which gains the popularities fast, especially among media companies, which uses it for presenting the statistics and creating charts. Data Wrapper is increasingly becoming a popular choice, particularly among media organizations, to create charts and present the statistics. Then the Oracle Visual Analyzer. It is introduced in 2015, and this web-based tool within Oracle Business Intelligence Cloud Service claimed spot at Magic Quadrant Business Intelligence and Analytics Platform report by Gartner. Interactive visuals and highly advanced analysis clubbed with customizable dashboard are some of the key features of Oracle Visual Analyzer. Then comes the Fusion Charts. This is very widely used Java-based charting and visualization package. It can produce 90 different charts and integrates with large number of platforms and frameworks. One feature that helped make Fusion Charts popular is rather than having to start each new visualization from scratch, users can pick from a range of live example templates. Then comes the high charts. Like Fusion Charts, these also requires the license for commercial use, although it can be used freely as a trial for personal use. Its website claims that it is used by 72 of the world's 100 largest companies, and it is a very fast and flexible solution to be rolled out. Then the Microsoft Power BI. So it is considered one of the best data visualization tool by industry experts and is being used across the industries like finance, sales to operations. This is a suite of business analytic tools from Microsoft which is meant for analyzing data and sharing the insights. Then the Plotly and the Pentatone that enables more complex and sophisticated visualization, and they are basically for integration with analytics oriented programming languages such as Python or MATLAB. They are used most in commercial way. They are very user friendly and supports the inbuilt support for APIs. Then the Spark and Synapse. They provide the full stack analytic platform, but its visualization capabilities provide simple to use drag and drop interface which allows the charts and more complex graphics as well as interactive visualizations. So these are some best data analytical tools that are used for every tool. Almost R programming is needed. Cloud era, yes, by using the cloud we are capable enough to store our data. So these are the various big data visualization tools and data analytic tools. Now in the next section we will see what is the importance of big data visualization. Thank you.